Are you level 3? Grammar and vocabulary test. One. It is no good writing to him. Two. She must have left her ring on the mantelpiece. Three. The two boys are such good friends that they share all they have. Four. She has taken the film to the shop to have it developed. Five. No article gold melts at a lower temperature than no article iron. Six. We must try to make him understand. Seven. A lorry knocked her down while crossing the high street. Eight. She's the most efficient secretary I've ever had. Nine. The boxer staggered and almost fell when he was hit in his chin. Ten. She was incapable of deciding anything for herself. 11. The actress forgot her lines but carried it off so well that nobody noticed anything. "12. Mr. Brown took some money out and put his wallet back in his inside pocket. "13. We had so little time to get to the airport that it was touch and go whether we would catch the flight. "14. She will never allow them to take her child from her. "15. If it hadn't been for his honesty, he could have been rich." "16. We shall ride over and see you next week." "17. Never look a gift horse in the mouth." "18. She isn't used to making the beds. "19. These two must be brothers. The likeness is unmistakable." "20. The train from Bighorn never seemed to start on time." "21. There has been a very serious outbreak of the disease in the South." "22. Since she died he's taken to drink." "23. She put the milk jug back in the fridge." "24. Mr. Bronson likes paying compliments to other men's wives." "25. We'll notify you as soon as we have any further information." "26. I'm sorry to bother you while you're working, but I must ask you a question." "27. Mary is very pretty, but her freckled face doesn't appeal to me." "28. Most cars nowadays are equipped with seat belts." "29. The little girl made it plain that she didn't approve the idea." "30. The burglar scattered the papers all over the place." "31. She didn't notice the log on the ground and stumbled over it." "32. The prince assumed power on the death of his mother." "33. Give me a sheet of paper and I'll write down a list for you." "34. They had not been on good terms for some time, but the matter came to a head when she accused him of being unfaithful." "35. The workers demanded fair wages for their work." 36. I haven't met him yet. (37) Since his wife died, poor Peter has taken to drink. (38) Dinner will be ready presently, but we have time for a drink before then. (39) I'm very grateful to you for your help. (40) It will not bring them money, neither will it solve their problems.